Welcome to Automotive Control. We've done a really nice upgrade on this 2014 Mark 7 Volkswagen Golf. We've added Apple CarPlay Android Auto in through the factory competition media radio. So there we have factory fitted Vw radio. It's a fairly low res screen actually on these Golfs, but it works perfectly well. So click media to enter the music source. We've now added a music Bluetooth source to the vehicle, either wired or wireless. Press and hold media button for a couple of seconds, and that then activates our wireless CarPlay. So yeah, no need to actually physically plug your phone in, but you can if you want. It will give you slightly improved audio sound. And then we've got our CarPlay as before. So you've got your messages, your maps, your Waze maps, Spotify, Google Maps, everything CarPlay comes with. This vehicle now has, without replacing the radio, because the only other option you've got for these vehicles is to replace this whole fascia trim and replace the radio. But if you want to keep everything looking factory, then this is the way forward. Back to the radio. And obviously we've still got retention of things like parking sensors and steering controls. All of that still works in exactly the same way you'd hope. Thanks very much for watching.